Good morning, welcome back to the Viezu workshop. Today I'm going to walk you around the E-Type we've just finished. Absolutely spectacular. I'll talk you through the engine bay, all the rebuild process, the interior, even down to the wheels. Right, welcome to the interior. Most bits have been changed. We have left some old parts in there just for a bit of patina in the car. New seats, new carpet, new switches. The dash's just been cleaned up, the chrome's been cleaned up. She looks really nice. The engine bay has been completely rebuilt. We've had to change both cylinder heads because they were rotted away. We'll show you that in a second, but at the minute she runs like a dream. These are the two cylinder heads that we've replaced. Unfortunately, the actual head's rotted away, big crack in the side of it. There's a lot of cylinders to feed. Obviously didn't do very well with that there. We replaced all 5 wheels. It's actually cheaper to replace them than to refurbish the old ones. Really sets the car off, lovely colour, lovely chrome finish, and I think it does it justice. All we're going to do now, start it up so you can see how incredible she sounds. If you have got any classics tucked away that need some love and affection, don't hesitate to give us a call on 01789 774444 or drop us an email at info@viezu.com. Thanks.